June 14, 2025, two Russian Su-25 Frogfoot jets were spotted flying low and fast near Soledar, Ukraine. Their goal was to attack spots where Ukrainian forces were believed to be hiding. The first jet fired its rockets and then made a sharp right turn, but then the second jet came in quickly, fired all its rockets very close to the first jet, just as it was turning away. Right after that, the first jet broke apart in the air and exploded. The second jet turned and flew away, leaving the damaged one behind. Now, let's slow the video down and look at what really happened. If you check frame by frame, you'll see the 6 rockets from the second jet fly past, on the left and a bit in front of the first jet. That means they likely didn't cause the crash. So what happened? It might be because of poor maintenance. At around 500 kilometers per hour, turning fast like that puts huge stress on the plane. That stress was likely too much for a 40-year-old jet. The right wing is where the heavy rocket pods are attached, so if that part is already weak, it could break off under pressure. And that's what seems to have happened here. After the wing broke, the jet started spinning to the right. This shows it was the right wing that failed. If the left wing had broken, it would have spun the other way. The break happened very close to the main body of the plane. That spot is always under pressure. After years of rough landings, it can become the weakest part. The video isn't very clear, so this is just a guess. We'll have to wait for the official report from the Russian side.